XRP just flashed a technical signal so rare that it's only appeared twice before, and both times it triggered absolutely insane rallies of 630% and 54%. While everyone was distracted by other cryptos, this golden cross pattern just fired at $3.32, and what happened in the liquidation markets has shorts getting absolutely obliterated. The same technical setup that predicted Bitcoin's legendary runs is now screaming bullish for XRP, with Ripple's court drama entering its final act that could send this to $5 faster than anyone imagines. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this rare signal combined with explosive legal developments could change everything for XRP holders. Goldrush here from Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and you just walked into the epicenter of alpha where we don't follow the crowd. We let it. Today we're diving into not one, but two absolutely game-changing stories that are about to shake up everything you thought you knew about XRP. We've got a rare MVRV golden cross that's historically explosive, liquidation data showing massive short destruction, and insider intel on why Ripple's court case could trigger the most legendary rally in XRP's history. This is going to be absolutely massive. Let's dive into this absolutely explosive article from AMB Crypto that literally made me spit out my coffee this morning. The technical setup they just revealed has me going full parabolic mode because we're witnessing something that rarely happens in crypto. According to this bombshell report from AMB Crypto, Ripple's XRP MVRV ratio has once again flashed a golden cross, a rare technical event that historically preceded rallies of 630% and 54%. Did you catch that? 630%. This isn't just any random indicator. This metric tracks the relationship between market value and realized value, helping gauge when an asset is seriously undervalued. At press time, XRP was trading at $3.32, holding above key supports like an absolute champion. The reappearance of this rare signal has bolstered bullish sentiment in ways that have technical analysts absolutely losing their minds, especially with momentum and on-chain metrics showing massive improvement. But here's where it gets absolutely nuclear. The daily chart placed XRP near the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement at $3.30, with immediate resistance at $3.46 and $3.66. A clean breakout above these levels could pave the way toward $4.23, and mark my words, that's just the beginning of this parabolic journey. The brilliant minds at AMB Crypto revealed that the MACD line stayed above the signal line, reinforcing bullish momentum that's absolutely beautiful to witness. However, recent rejections near the 0.786 level at $3.46 suggest supply pressure remains. But here's why I'm not worried. Sustained buying volume will be the key to unlocking the next leg higher, and the data shows it's building. Now here's something that literally gave me goosebumps. XRP's NVD ratio has plunged by 46.1% in the past 24 hours, dropping to 95.88. This decline suggests the asset's market value is now more in line with transaction volume on the network, which historically indicates higher transaction efficiency and stronger on-chain activity that often precedes bullish price action. This shift is enhancing investor confidence, particularly when combined with technical setups pointing to potential upside that could absolutely change lives. The smart money is loading up while retail hasn't figured out what's happening yet. But wait, there's more that proves the bears are getting absolutely destroyed. Liquidation data showed shorts faced $3.03 million in losses against just $290,000 for longs. Did you hear that? Shorts got obliterated while longs barely felt a scratch. This massive short squeeze can trigger rapid price spikes when the bias is already bullish, and we're seeing exactly that unfold. The data that's staring us in the face from Binance liquidation heat map highlighted dense liquidity clusters between $3.40 and $3.48. Here's why this is absolutely massive. A breakout above this range could trigger significant market reactions that send XRP into full parabolic mode. These levels coincide with key short-term resistances, making them important battlegrounds for bulls and bears. If bulls push past these liquidity walls, price acceleration could be sharp, given the reduced selling pressure above them. We're talking about the kind of explosive moves that create generational wealth for those positioned correctly. Now, if this technical explosion has you as fired up as it has me, you absolutely need to see what the tradable just dropped about Ripple's court drama entering its final act. This second piece contains insider intel that could make XRP's $5 target look conservative rather than ambitious. Hit that like button because what I'm about to reveal validates everything we just discussed and adds nuclear fuel to this rocket ship. Check out what the tradable just revealed that has the entire crypto world holding its breath. This piece literally contains the legal catalyst that could transform all this technical setup into the most legendary rally in XRP's history. According to this nuclear intel from the tradable, the cryptocurrency world is holding its breath as one of the most grueling legal battles in digital asset history inches toward its grand finale. After what feels like an eternity of court filings, depositions, and legal chess moves, the Ripple SEC showdown could finally wrap up within days. Judge Annalisa Torres has become something of a household name in crypto circles, and her upcoming decision carries weight far beyond just Ripple's fate. We're talking about a ruling that could reshape how the entire industry operates in the United States, and the implications are absolutely insane for XRP holders. But here's where it gets absolutely explosive. Traders aren't sitting around waiting for the dust to settle. There's serious buzz building around XRP potentially rocketing to the $5 mark if things go Ripple's way. That's not just wishful thinking from diehard XRP fans. Seasoned market watchers are genuinely eyeing this level as the next logical destination. The brilliant analysts at the tradable pointed out something that made my trader heart skip a beat. XRP has this uncanny ability to go absolutely ballistic when major legal wins come through. Remember those wild price swings during previous court victories? Those weren't accidents. The token tends to move fast and hard when regulatory clouds start clearing up. The $5 target isn't pulled out of thin air either. Technical analysts have been drawing lines on their charts, pointing to key resistance levels that could crumble under the weight of positive legal news. If institutional money starts flowing in, and that's looking increasingly likely, we could see some serious fireworks that make previous rallies look like warm-up acts. Here's what's got me absolutely buzzing with excitement. The next few trading sessions are shaping up to be absolutely crucial for XRP's price trajectory. We're talking about the kind of make-or-break moments that crypto traders live for, where fortunes are made and legends are born. The confluence of that rare MVRV golden cross signal, massive short liquidations, dense liquidity clusters ready to break, and now the final act of Ripple's legal drama creates a perfect storm that's absolutely unprecedented in XRP's history. This changes the entire game for anyone holding XRP or considering entering before this nuclear combination reaches full explosion. My crypto legends, we're witnessing history in the making, and this rare technical signal combined with explosive legal developments could rewrite XRP's entire trajectory. The MVRV Golden Cross that historically triggered 630% rallies is now active at $3.32, with short liquidations clearing the path and Judge Torres preparing to deliver the ruling that could send institutional money flooding into XRP. Mark my words, when XRP breaks cleanly through $3.46 and $3.66, we're looking at clear skies toward $4.23 and beyond. From there, the $5 target that seemed impossible suddenly becomes inevitable, especially with regulatory clarity that could unleash pin-up institutional demand. The smart money understands what's brewing, a rare technical signal that's historically explosive, combined with legal resolution that removes the biggest uncertainty hanging over XRP. While retail sleeps on this opportunity, you're getting this alpha right now when positioning still makes sense. If this breakdown has you as fired up as it has me, absolutely smash that like button, hit that notification bell because timing is everything in crypto, and let me know in the comments. Are you positioning for XRP's potential $5 explosion? Or do you think I'm absolutely insane for being this bullish? Subscribe now because opportunities like this don't wait for anyone. And I'll see you tomorrow with more alpha that could change your financial future. Until then, keep watching for that golden cross magic. And remember, we don't follow the crowd, we lead it. Goldrush out.